Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to fix not hearing anyone on Discord. So what you're going to do is first open your Discord, then go to your user settings. If you have not been able to hear it only on Discord app only. If so, just go and check your sound system for quickly, your sound system. So go to your sound settings and make sure that your audio, your mic is turned on higher, your volume is fixed. So yeah, this is one. Next, go to your Discord and go to your user settings. Make sure to go to your voice and video and see if your output device is correct. Make sure to choose the correct option and set it. If it still doesn't work, go to sound mixer, this one. After you go to this, make sure to increase your Discord sound, output devices, and change these options. After that, you will be able to solve the problem of not hearing anyone on Discord. So thank you.